Namaste dear friends, welcome to the 9th day of 30 days yoga challenge. I hope you enjoyed the session. As usual, we will be starting the session with an affirmation. So we'll be use the affirmation 3 times. First loudly, then slowly, then very slowly as a whisper. Keep the affirmation in the mind and give a deep concentration on the top or on the affirmation. Then, using that concentration, we will begin the practice. Sit in a comfortable sitting position, Asana. Your both hands in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes, open your chest. Inhale deeply and hold the breath. Slowly exhale. Inhale deeply and hold the breath. Slowly exhale. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath. Slowly exhale. Repeat affirmation. I am wisdom. I am wisdom. I am wisdom. Focus at the point between your eyebrows. Concentrate on the word. Sit for a moment. Slowly open the eyes. We will begin the practice. Slowly stand up, stand on the mat. We will do 3 rounds of sun salutation. But this is not a perfect sun salutation. We will be doing some alternative asanas to make it easy for this practice. Your feet together, open your chest. Palms by the side of the feet. Breathe a couple of times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. And exhale completely out. Now inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, bend forward from the hip, place the palms by the side of the feet, forehead towards the knees. Inhale, head up, chest up, look forward. Hold the breath, come to push-up position. Exhale, your knees, chest, chin down, hip up. Inhale, head up and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position. Give a 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly walk forward, one leg by the other leg. Look forward. As you exhale, forehead towards the knees. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, both hands down Two more time. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, bend forward, palms down by the side of the feet, forehead towards to the knees. Inhale, head up, chest up, look forward, hold the breath, come to push-up position. Exhale, knees chest, chin down, hip up. Inhale, head up and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position, Adho Mukha Svanasana, 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly walk forward, one leg by the other leg. Look forward and exhale, forehead towards to the knees. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, both hands down. Inhale, both arms up over the head in prayer position. Exhale, bend forward, forehead towards to the knees. Inhale, head up, chest up, look forward. Hold the breath, both legs back to push-up position. Exhale, knees chest, chin down, hip up. Inhale, hip down, chest up and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly walk forward, one leg by the other leg. Look forward. Exhale, forehead towards the knees. Inhale, both arms up over the head, palms together in prayer position. Exhale, down. Very good. Now separate the feet few inches away from each other. Toes are pointing forward. Keep your chest open your chest. Hip rotate, roll forward, keep the knees straight. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Place the palms down on the mat. Press the palms firmly. The palms should be parallel with the feet position. Keep there and find a balance and breathe. You do not need to bring your forehead down in the beginning, but later on, with a regular practice, you can reach to the position. But now you have to place the palms down. And if you could not do this, you can hold the ankles or the knees and look down and breathe. Otherwise, you can place the palms down and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up, chest up. Release the hand, support your hip. Slowly come to the center. Now again, stand on top of the mat. Palms together, feet together. Inhale, both arms up over the head in prayer position. Exhale, bend forward, palms down. Now, inhale, come to push-up position. Look down. Exhale, knees chest, chin down, hip up. Inhale, head up and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position. From there, slowly your right leg forward, left knee down on the mat. Head up, chest up, find a balance. Your right knee is parallel with the right heel. Chest is open, left knee on the mat, left toe pointing out or tuck in, whichever is comfortable for you. Head up, chest up, palms together in prayer position. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, with inhalation, both arms up, over the head, look up. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly both hands down. Come to push-up position. Do the now. From there, your knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, head up and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position. From there, your left knee forward, right knee on the mat. Left knee is parallel with the left heel. Chest is open, right knee on the mat, palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find a balance there. Slowly both arms up over the head. Look at the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly both hands down. Come to push-up position, left leg back. Now slowly knees down, chest down, chin down, hip up. Inhale, head up and arch back. Exhale, inverted V position. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bend the knees. Slowly sit up. Lie down on the mat. One moment. Again, I need to bring my mic in front. Okay. Knees together, toes pointing up. Now, place the palms by the side of the body. Bend the knees. Hold the ankles with the both hands. If the body is not so flexible to catch hold on the ankles, you can place the palms down firmly on the mat. Now with inhalation, inhale your hip up, chest up. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale your hip down, chest down. Inhale again up, hip up, chest up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hip down, chest down. One more time. Inhale, hip up, chest up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down. Release the hand. Slowly relax in Shavasana. Breathe. Again, legs together. Slowly turn the body to one side. Slowly come up and sit up. Now, straighten your left leg. Bend your right knee, right foot in the root of the left thigh. Inhale, both hands up. As you exhale, forward bend down, hold the toes. Left toe with the both hands. And look at the knee. Each exhalation, slowly forward down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, release. Do the other side. Straighten your right leg, bend the left knee. Inhale, both hands up over the head. Exhale, forward bend down. Hold the right toe. Each exhalation, forward bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, release. Now, sit on your heels. Hold your left knee with the right hand. Left hand behind the back. Towards to the right side. As you exhale, turn the upper body to the left. Breathe. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, release. Now hold the right knee with the left hand or right hand behind the back. Twist your upper body to the right side and breathe. Slowly inhale, come to the center. Exhale, release. Sit in cross-leg position, Sukhasana. Both hands in Chin Mudra, close your eyes, breathe. Slowly open the eyes. Thank you so much for the practice. See you tomorrow. Namaste.